Before listening to this exciting episode, you should know who made this episode possible, and it's Anchor. Anchor is a podcast listening and making app, and here are some benefits of it. It's free, it has all the creation tools that will help you record and edit your podcast. It distributes your podcast to almost all the important podcast listening apps, and you can also earn money from your podcast with no minimum listenership. So download Anchor and enjoy podcasting and the interesting episode. Are you also bored with conventional knowledge topics? Don't worry, something interesting is already on your way. Hello everyone, your host Brahma here on the show I Got This Today, where on every Wednesday we discuss facts and stories on very different topics. As on last Wednesday we started our series Significance of Indian Festival, here we are continuing that. So I present you second episode of Significance of Indian Festival. In the first episode we discuss about the festival Nag Panchami and know about the story of Nag Panchami. And today we are going to talk about Navratri, one of my favorite festivals. So let's begin. Navratri is probably the longest festival in Hindu culture. It is celebrated for 9 days long. In these 9 days, we worship Goddess Durga and her avatars. Also, there is a culture of wearing different color clothes at each day of Navratri. When the 9-day long festival is going on, at every night we play Garba, which is a cultural dance of India. The motto of the festival is to bring everyone together and have fun, and simultaneously worship Goddess and bring happiness to the world. So now that I have told you what was the motto and how is the festival celebrated, now let's move to the story of the festival. There are actually two stories of why this Navratri festival is celebrated. I will tell you the both. So the first story is of Goddess Durga defeating Mahishasur. There was a demon called Mahishasur who got immensely strong after meditating and getting some boons from gods. No one was able to defeat him. All the gods together prayed to Goddess Durga. She appeared and had a battle with Mahishasur to kill him. And the battle went 9 days long, and on the 9th day she killed Mahishasur. That's why the Navratri festival is celebrated for 9 days, and for celebrating the win of good over the bad and bringing happiness again by destroying the demon. And the second story why Navratri is celebrated is from Ramayana. I have already discussed about Ramayana in episode 11. So if you want to know facts and secrets of Ramayana, then you should check that episode out. But before telling the story, still I will give you a basic idea of Ramayana. Lord Ram, avatar of Vishnu, Lord Ram, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, with his wife and his brother Lakshman, have to go to exile for 14 years due to his father's promise to his stepmother. In the exile, they came across Surpanaka, who was sister of Ravan. She started loving Ram and wanted to marry him, due to which he tried to kill Sita. To defend this, Lakshman cut his ears and nose, and due to this humiliation, Ravan in revenge captured Sita. And then Ram and Lakshman wander everywhere to find Sita. In between, they meet Hanuman and Sugriv and fetch their help. They get to know that Sita is kidnapped in Sri Lanka. So, with his monkey army, Lord Ram went to Lanka. And then the great war of Ramayana started. Ravan didn't fought the war from the first day of war. he used to send his main warriors to lead the army, but he had to enter the war. And as he entered, he started destroying Ram's monkey army. And it was the day Ram's army got defeated. On the same night, Lord Ram was sitting very worried. And then Minister of Sugriv, Jamwant, explained to Lord Ram that it's not the thing to worry. If we lose one day, we can win tomorrow. Ram said, I don't worry about Ravan. I know we can easily defeat him. But today, when Ravan was fighting, he was not fighting alone. With him, Goddess Durga and Lakshmi were fighting too. I could defeat Ravan, but how could I defeat Goddess Durga? And on this, Jamwant suggested that you should do a puja to impress Goddess Durga. And on this, Lord Ram asked Hanuman to bring 108 Neel Kamals for the puja and started worshipping Goddess Durga. And his worship went 9 days long. And these 9 days are now celebrated as Navratri. But after the end of the Ram's puja, Goddess Durga took Ram's test. What kind of test was that? Answer of this question and significance of festival Diwali and Dasera would be discussed in the next episode. So stay tuned for that one. So that's it for today. I will take your leave, but you don't forget to follow us and share our episode. Your support means us a lot. Thanks for listening. Also go to description and check the books linked there. They will help you grow in your life. Also join our Discord server for more interesting conversation. So see you soon. Till then, enjoy your day. Disclaimer: this podcast is based on my views and opinions. I don't mean to hurt anyone's sentiment or disrespect any group or individual.